Hi everyone, this is Sunny, and today I had come up with one more new session on Git and GitHub, and this is session number 4. Let's start our session. In today's session, I will explain what is Git branch and merge. So let's understand. But before we start, I will suggest to go through my previous sessions. Now, let's open first Visual Studio Code, which we have used already in our previous sessions, and this is Visual Studio Code. And here what we did, we created project named Git demo using Git commands. Let me open some example so that you can understand what we have done till now. So here, see, we created Git demo project using Git commands from local repository. Then I showed you what's GitHub, how we can host our project from web, and that we have done through GitHub. Then from the team members were able to push and pull changes. So that also we have done, like how to pull changes and how to push changes from web to our local machine, to our local repository. So this part we have already covered. Now let's say we have one design team. Okay, so this is different team and Rahul is working on that. What he needs is, he needs this project Git demo and he want to work some additional changes. He want to do some design part for our project. Now we had worked on main branch. So our branch was main branch. Now if we share this code, this main branch to this designer, there may be some issues, like he will do some change and our code will not work. So now what we do here, we will create another branch. We will create separate branch which will have all the code which we have in the design branch. Okay, so that in case if there was an issue with the design branch, we have main branch with us, so it will not affect. So it is better to create a design branch and then provide that branch to designer, which he can work. And if everything was okay, whatever the change he will do in the design branch, if everything was okay, then what we will do, then we will merge. So we will merge the change, all the changes what he have done from design branch to our main branch. So this part we will learn today. So let's see how we will work on this. So first we will go to Visual Studio Code. Now here, if we have to check which branch currently we are in, so we can see that Git branch. So we are working in main branch. So let's now create one more branch. So let's create, and the command will be git branch design. Okay, so we have created one more branch which is design branch. Now if we check the git branch command again, let's see what we get. We have now two branches, one is design branch and one is main branch. So main is our current branch. You can see the star is with the main branch, which means the color is green also, which means this is our current branch. Now what we will do here, we will move out to design branch. So how we can do that? Git checkout design branch, switched to branch design. Now if we check the git branch code again, the command again, you can see now we are in design branch. So let's do some change now. Now if you come to here, git demo index, and if you go to, let me add file. Okay, add file. If you go to like copy path and then go to browser, and if you will paste here the same, you will find So this is what we have done. Like, this is our first version, this is our second version, and this is our third version. It is the same content which we have done here in, we have added here in index.html. So this is our first version, second version, third and fourth. So this code, this file we have from main branch, and we have added design branch also. Now the designer is working on this. So let's do some changes. So let's add, if we add color, like layout to add color, let's add color here, body color, color body bg. Okay, so I think this will work. Let's say background color is equal to pink. Okay, and let's save this, Control S, and now we have to add this page. It that you know like how to add. Let's save it again, Control S, come to here, terminal, git add index.html, git commit -m, and then give, this is okay, we can give third, fourth, fifth version change, and then hit enter. So if we now check git log, so we are now in the fifth version change, and if we check the browser again and refresh, you can see the color has been changed. So this change has done in design part. Now if we move, let's move to back again to our branch which was main. If we check git branch, we have two branches. So right now the change was done by the designer named Rahul. So he did the change, and he did change in design part, design branch, but we still have main branch. So if we check out to main branch, git checkout main, now we are in main branch. So right now if we check git branch, okay, so right now we are in main branch. So if we do the refresh again, you can see the change has been removed which has been done in main branch, sorry, in design branch. So we can easily create new branches, we can do our changes, and then we can also merge those changes. Now let's say the designer has done the change. Okay, so this is working fine, we are happy with the change. Now what we have to do, we have to merge this change to our main branch, and for that what we will do, we have the command which is git merge design. So let's do this. We will do, now we are in the main branch, so we will do git merge design branch. Now hit enter. Okay, so file has been changed. You can see git log, no sorry, git branch. So we are in main branch. Now let's see. Okay, so you can see the change has been reflected. Now the same code has been reflected in our main branch after we did merge. So that was now git branch and git merge we have learned. Now I will show you like how we can push the branch change to our Git hub. So for that, let's do some more changes. Now it is pink. Let's make it orange. Okay, orange, and then Control S. So it is orange now. Git add index.html. So we have added git commit -m. Earlier was, so this was 7th version change. So we have done the commit which is 7th version change. So that's it. Now we will do hit enter. Okay, so we have done one change, which is we make the background as orange. Now if you go to GitHub, do the refresh. Okay, so this is our GitHub, and if you go to inside and the network, you will find the same main branch. So we only have main branch. Okay, we don't have any. Let's go to Git demo again. See, we only have main branch. We don't have two branches. We only have main branch, no tags. So you can explore this GitHub. The more you will work on this, so more you will get, more you will learn. Okay, so right now we are in main branch. There are no branches, but here we created two branches. If you want the same change, the same branch to reflect there in GitHub also, what you have to do, you have to push that origin. Okay, you have to push. Without push, the change will not reflect in GitHub. So you have to push this. And for the, see, we have done the change. We make this orange. We created the branch. So right now, but sorry, one thing we just missed. Git. If you check the branch, we are in the main branch. So we are working. Let's go to Git. Check out design. So first we need to go to design, and then let's add now, make it blue. Control S, and then we will add this. Git add index.html git commit -m, and this is 8th version change. Hit enter. Now if you go to here, you still find the same main branch. So there are no, see, we still have only one branch, which is main, but we created another branch there. So that branch, if you want to reflect that here, you have to push that. For that we have command git push origin design. So let's do this command. What we have to do, git push origin design. So let's hit enter. Okay, now if you reflect here and do the refresh, so we have done the refresh, and if you go here, you will find two branches, main and design. So main is our default. Now if you go to insights and then go to network, you will find, see, this is also our main branch, but then one more branch get added, which was design branch. So this was our main branch, you can see. So design branch, if you can hover here, you can see this is showing as main, and then this is design. So with this you can also check. It is easy from the GitHub to check all the changes. If the interface is very fine, so you can explore it as per your requirement, as per your wish. So the more you will explore, the more you will learn. Now let's go to Git demo test again, our project which we have worked. Let's now understand Git conflict and when we will find this Git conflict. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio Code again. So here we had worked on two branches, design and main branch. So let's first check we are in which branch. Git branch, so we are in design branch. Now let's do some changes here. So this is our 4th version. Let's make it final 1. Okay, so we have changed to this td, and let's save it. And then same steps. Okay, sorry. So we have done either change, or we can make it like, let's do it, make it, this is Sunny project. and we will make it Sunny project 1. Let's save it and then git add index.html, git commit -m, added Sunny 1. Okay, so this we have done in design part. Let's do the same change now in main branch. For that, what we have to do, git checkout main branch. So right now we have done change in design branch. So we are now in, if we check git branch, you are in main branch. So here also let's make it, this is Sunny project 2. Control save and then git add index.html, git commit -m, added Sunny project 2. Hit enter. So we have done changes in both the branch design and we have done the same change. We have done the change here in this TD. Now if we go to git merge, and how to do merge, so git merge design. Now let's see what will happen. So right now we are in, we have to check git branch, we are in main branch. So we will do git merge design. See, when we did the merge, it has given us the conflict, which you can see here, because we are doing change in the same line. So in branch we have done change in the same line, so that's why it's showing conflict. It is asking us like which change you need. So here we have one resolve in merge editor. So let's open this. See, the same you can see here. This is our 4th version, and same you will find in, this is our Sunny project 2 and this is Sunny project 1. So here we have the conflict. Now he wants like which change you need, you need from the branch or you need the change from the design branch or you need the change from main branch. So here you can either do, see, you have to accept it, no change accepted, no change accepted. So either you can accept both or you can accept it's up to you like which change you need to accept. If you click here, see, accept incoming or ignore. Let's accept this change which is from design. So this is design change and this is from main branch. So this is from design. So let's accept incoming, and this will be our final change. Now this is our, so it's showing us the final change which will be there. So we'll see complete merge, complete with conflicts, close with conflicts. See, it has given us. So this is how you can resolve conflicts and when you will get conflicts and how you can merge them. You can see continue. But here also what you have to do then, git commit /m final version. So that's how you can resolve conflicts. Now let's understand what is git tag and how we can use git tag in our project. So here if you go to Visual Studio Code, you will check git log. Now you are getting the random ID from all the commits which you have done. So this is our commit. Now if you need to check the change from this commit, you have to copy this and paste this. You cannot remember this, and you cannot remember this random ID for all the commits. So right now, if we have only like few commits, but there can be the scenario where we can have lots of commits which you have done in our project. So it's not easy to remember them, and to like you cannot remember them. So for that, what we can use tag. So let's see how we can use tags for the commits. Now right now we are in this version, so 5th version clean. So we are in this commit. You can see the main is pointing to this version. Now for that we have command which is git tag. Let's use this git tag -a, and then you can give any name. Let's give v5, and then the same which we do for commit, and then you can give 5th tag. You can give any commit, then hit enter. Now when you check git log again, you will find the difference. Git log, see, so we were in this version, but now there is tag which get added to this commit also. Earlier it was not there, but once we add the tag, so we added tag for this version which was our latest version. So by this way you can add tags to all the commits which you have done, so that you can easily find them. Now what name we have given here? v5. So let's see we were able to open this or not. If we check git show v5, see, so we are able to open that change. So we can now open that change with, see, this is our index. You are getting all the code. So with tag also you can open that like commits. So the way you are, see, now you don't need to open this, you don't need to use this commit ID. You can easily remember the commits. So because you are using the alias name here, which you can use by tag. So first you need to give the tag, and then you can open that commit. So this is how we can utilize tags for our commits, to remember them easily, because it's not easy to remember the commits. Git log. So for the same way you can add tags for all the commits which you are using, which you have done, sorry. Now host website. Now I will show you how we can host website. So first let's go to settings. See, go to settings. So this is our project which we had created, git demo test 1. Go to settings and then go to page. So here, so we had moved out to settings, and then you need to go to page from the left menu, which you can see here, page. Click on that, and then branch. So this is branch. Here you can select, so we have two branches, which is main and design. So let's go to main branch, which is our main branch, and then this is our root. Okay, and then click on save. So once you will click on save, okay, so you will get the web link. So you can see here, this is your site. Okay, sorry. So on top you will find your link, which is Sunny. So if you open this link, see, this is our website, or you can say a simple website which you have created, and you will be able to host this on your web. So this is our web link which everyone can access. So that was it for today's session. I hope you have understood GitHub, Git merge, conflicts, and all the practicals that we have done. So now let's wrap up this session. We'll come up with the next session shortly. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Be healthy, be strong, and love your family.